Marble floors reflect a silent call. I trace the frost creeping up the pane, whispering your name, a sweet, familiar pain. Spotlight finds you, a polished brass machine, a phantom partner in this winter scene. Glitter drips down a hazy, muted snow. Where else am I supposed to go? And the snow falls harder on the glass. This moment's meant to last. No one else will ever stay, but you are here, come what may. Oh, spin me slow, you don't have to know my name. Just hold me close, it's always been the same. A silent dance, a tender, cold embrace in this lonely, perfect place. My voice cracks now, a whisper in the air. I realize the partner wasn't there. It was always me, reflected in your gleam, living out this solitary dream. The vintage bar cart sits untouched and cold, a story that can never be told. Just you and me beneath the amber light, dancing through the endless night. And the frost climbs higher on the pane, washing out the stain. No one else will ever stay, but you are here, come what may. Oh, spin me slow, you don't have to know my name. Just hold me close, it's always been the same. A silent dance, a tender, cold embrace in this lonely, perfect place. Ooh, forgive me, friend, for all the years I've lied, pretending someone else was by my side. You never judged, you never turned away, just waited for another day. Spin me slow, you don't have to know my name. Just hold me close, it's always been the same. A silent dance, a tender, cold embrace